so funny, TSM?
Disco Bob, yeah, let's go. Disco Bob, let's go. Tune in to Disco Bob, YouTube right now, let's go. Hey, Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe to Disco Bob right now.
Well, hello everyone. I hope everybody's awesome and is safe out there. Happy Friday to everyone. So, what we're going to be reviewing today, we're going to be reviewing these Nature Valley crunchy dipped salted caramel granola squares and the chocolate granola squares. I found these at Kroger's for $3.99 a box. There's 6 bars in each one of these boxes. 6 servings. Serving size 1 bar, 110 calories. So, we're going to open these up and we're going to try them. I'm going to have to take a pause because I don't have a tripod in this car. So, let's open them up. Here's pretty much what they look like in the package. So, open them up. Then here's what they actually look like. And they got the chocolate on the back. So let's dig into this and try it. I gotta tell you guys, the chocolate is real good on these. And the granola combination. These are really good. I give 2 thumbs up to these, definitely. So, they're really good, guys. Let's try, and they're they're not real thick neither. They're real thin, as you can see. They're real thin. So, really good, guys. So next, we're going to be trying these, the salted caramel. So we'll open these up and we'll try these. And here's what these look like. And boy, guys, you can smell all these smell so good. You can smell the caramel on these. It smells so good. Excuse me. These are good as well. And they smell good too. 2 thumbs up for the both of these. Really good. After this review, we're going to be doing a roller skate dancing video after I'm done with this review. But yeah, this is really good too, this chocolate. I like the chocolate better, but I do like the other one as well. But, hey, these definitely give my thumbs up. So, everybody, thanks for watching this video about these Nutri-Grain. These come out in June, by the way, June of this year. So, I hope everybody enjoyed this review of these salted caramel Nature Valley crunchy dipped bars in the chocolate. But I like about them, they're real nice and thin. So, they're really easy to eat. They're not real hard. So, hey, everybody have a good one. And thanks for watching. And stay tuned for a roller skate dancing session right after this. Have a good one, guys. So long.
cause I can never ever leave ya. TDHP, you ain't got amnesia. If you like West Coast sound, gonna please ya. Jeweled up, I'll take my rings out the freezer. 32 stones, there are 3,200 clones. In my backyard, got 3,200 bones. Cemetery for you whack MCs. Got no skills, beats ain't cracking like these. Fred Rock, yeah, I roll with the maestro. OG, I roll the time I let the dice roll. Got the ice flow, too cold to hold. Time to rap tracks for the young and the old. Only one straight microphone piece and I'm raging. Girls Filipina, not Asian. Soldier in the rap game, oh so reliable. Bringing you that flavor every time in a rhyme undeniable. My skills are more than viable. Just making you bounce. See, I find it necessary every time to announce. It's the whole damn vibe that counts. It's undeniable. My skills are more than viable. And you have to agree. See, the party's going on till after 3. And I kick flows magically. It's undeniable. Yeah, you haters keep a salt shaker taking you back like Zap Heartbreaker. I'm so 82, wetting your whistle like Midnight Star, then I'm launching a missile. G'd up, ain't no time to put your feet up. Going in when.
What's so funny, TSM?
You tuned in with the disco vibe. Let's go disco.